Introducing the Lightbulb Series by Valkyrie Investments, where we cover crypto topics requested by you in 5 minutes or less. Today, we're covering a September macro update.
Welcome to the Lightbulb Update. Today we're going to talk about China and inflation. First of all, China has banned Bitcoin once again this year. Also, Evergrande, a Chinese company, has defaulted on its bonds. Several fund managers in the United States have been buying Evergrande bonds, hoping to get a little bit of additional yield in their portfolios. It seems that didn't work out too well for them. Speaking of bond yields, U.S. Treasuries are yielding 1.5%. Inflation is at 5.5%. That means the real yield on 10-year treasuries is negative 4%. I would suggest buying Bitcoin.
Thanks for joining us today. If you want to learn more about something in the crypto sphere, please reach out to us at lightbulb@valkyrieinvest.com. You can also find us on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube.